A very good morning to all of you and welcome participants in Soccer for Peace Gala. I would like to warmly thank the Martin Luther King Jr. Company Limited, Shekinah Eva Center, Wise Hand Ventures, and Solidarity School, individuals, churches, and aspiring members of Parliament for sponsoring this event with us. And I sincerely thank all of you for participating in this event to promote peace before, during, and after election 2012. Let me begin by quoting the scripture in the Bible. How beautiful upon the mountains are the feet of you who brings good tidings, who publishes peace. Isaiah 52 verse 7. And Martin Luther King Jr., Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said, we must build dice of courage to hold back the floods of fear that hold law about an eye for an eye leaves everybody blind. The time is always right to do the right thing. Peace is not merely a distant goal that we seek, but a means by which we arrive at a goal. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Today's Soccer for Peace Gala is to promote and teach tolerance through sportsmanship for the upcoming election. Soccer has become a fundamental pillar in and carries a significant responsibility for the society as a whole due to its values, popularity, universal nature, and appeal. Football has a positive effect both spectators and players, both in terms of health, physical activity, and life skills. The values of team sports. The most popular sport in the world, soccer has played an important role in many tensions between nations, known generally as football throughout the world. This sport has brought traditional enemies together and has even stopped wars. In 2002, Japan and South Korea, long-time enemies with lingering animosity, worked together to co-host the World Cup. In 2000, historic rivals Belgium and Holland hosted the European Championship. More recently, when American and coalition troops arrived in Afghanistan and Iraq, soccer games were arranged for the local population, and coalition forces even played against an Iraqi team while the fighting was ongoing. We use soccer in all our programs as a foundation. As we are gradually approaching election, we have decided to promote peace and peace tolerance among the youth before, during, and after election 2012. Peace is not only the essence of Peace is not only the essence of individual organization. It is a prerequisite for nation building. Without peace, nations cannot reach their full potential. They cannot consolidate their achievements. Peace has many facets: social well-being, to ethnic, racial, religious, tolerance and freedom, to justice, to harmony between humans and the natural environment, and much more. Countries like America, Britain, France, China, etc. understood that sustainable peace is inextricably linked to sustainable development. We urge our youth that they should be agents of peace in their various electoral areas because they are leaders of this nation. Today, as we participate in this soccer gala, let us resolve to cultivate peace, to promote peace, and to raise awareness of this most important event of Wise and Solid Foundation. Let us do this at modest individual level, but also as collectively as communities or municipalities. The purpose of this day is not just helping us reflect on peace, but also to get us working for peace. Thank you all for your kind attention. Thank you.